I'd say I'll give you one of our business cards, but they're in the other tray.
Right. Don't want any personal details like your bank account number, but could you tell me just what the people say? Right, but the man tree just now they're gonna look at each you watch they should whatever it is to create as you know EB and what thank you I'll show you point to the camera thank you and see life is
I'd say I'll give you one of our business cards, but they're in the other tray.
right. Don't want any personal details like your bank account number, but could you tell me just what the people say? Right, but the man tree just now they're gonna look at each you watch they should whatever it is to create as you know EB and what thank you I'll show you point to the camera thank you and see life is And morning, afternoon, whichever. Great. We've just been shopping and we've got an owl. We're both well, but he's happy. So you need to know what the time is. Bloody hell, a lovely day here. I'll show you in a minute. Sun's out, it's great. Just put the deck chairs out. I've decided to stay and just taking the surroundings and work on. We've got a busy day tomorrow. Got to get up to the marina. Pump out fuel up, etc., and then start the journey back. It's been it's been great up to now. It's been dead relaxing. People again have been great. I'd like to think anybody watching this has got a bit of an insight to it. I want to stress I'm not an expert, right? I'm anything but an expert, but from and I'm going to and I'm going to say it's about what was quite what I thought. It is a bit, this is lovely. You see, it's so nice. I'm going from about a bit on it. That's not no. Banana. Side, buns. Yeah. That's it. Crown and got a Hello again. Give you three times. Back to too old. I mean, away. Because if you know, the video good so and a bit of an we're rolling. As you see, we're still here. I've not been in the chair or sat in this chair since you last saw me. I've actually been doing things. What can I say? It's absolutely lovely. I've not felt this relaxed. Oops, not felt this relaxed since last year. It's great. I just tease on for tomorrow. We're going cruising all day tomorrow. Our best part of the day. So, tea will cook. Beautiful. This is the life. Looking past by another one. Black Prince Holidays. Their boats look nice. But we're with ABC, so there you go. And you know what I'm thinking about. So if you're going to book with ABC, don't forget, mention my name and Anna's name. We appreciate it. What have we done? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Not a jot. We've been sat. Well, like I say, we put tea on tomorrow. I'll cook in a slow cooker. That we brought with us. Don't provide a slow cooker, but we have got we brought with us. I might have to suggest that to them. Never mind. You've got to see the boat. We look like jippos at the minute, and I'll show you the boat. Just Give me a minute. I'll just show you the boat. Just hang on. I'll just flip this. Then I'll turn around. Show you the boat. We look like Jippos. Seriously. Go on, Jippos. I said, but yeah, patience. Got some time back. Hang on a minute. There's Mrs. Jippo. Oh, Mrs. Jippo. Right. There's the boat.
You need some canal and stuff, don't you?
Yeah, as you see the washing out the window, it you need to do is needs must. It's all part of it. Like I said, all we need is some pegs to sell. There's on a Mark's boat in the distance.
What's on him?
Uh,
He's still in his dressing gown in.
and Mark is just completely out of it. He's chilled out. It's, you know, you can feel the ice. It's that chilled. There's the clouds. Oh, they're nice. Let's get back to it. I might have a walk down. I might have a walk up that way because I'm just sat on my body here. So I might just take you for a walk, and we'll just kind of. Yeah, I think we'll go. Shall I take YouTube for a walk?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do a walk. Hang on. I can pause this, I think.